back lip. No good. You're going out.
See.
Getting ready to play in the park.
I'm gonna go get your sweatshirt. Oh, okay. Careful with the camera. Let's go in the park.
I'll go to the park.
Let's go to the park, Nathan. Where's your hat? But where's your hat, Nathan? Oh, you don't know. Where's your jacket? Huh? Where's your coat? Oh, and your hat? Where's your hat? Achoo!
You get that.
Are we going out to the park? Oui! Tu parles français aussi? Oui!